Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel. Imagine coming home to this fully remodeled ranch. It is a fabulous find. You're gonna love this new listing. I'm standing at 19 Highview Terrace in Enfield, Connecticut. This is a large, sprawling ranch. You are gonna love it. It has a 2-car garage. It has a 30-year architectural roof. It's new. It has a new heating system, new oil tank. It has a beautiful family room, front to back. It's large with cathedral ceilings. It has thermal pane windows. The kitchen has been remodeled with stainless steel appliances and beautiful white cabinets. You can see out into the backyard, which is really, really pretty and nice and private. See how quiet it is here? It's really a great location. You have 3 bedrooms, all hardwood floors throughout the whole entire home, 1.5 bathrooms, a great Trex deck. Everything that you could want is here. If you'd like to be among the first to receive photos of this wonderful home, then send me an email at teamgabriel.net or give me a call at 860-618-6233. We look forward to hearing from you.